Today I am discussing on alcohol induced esophageal disorder. So alcohol induced esophageal disorder is divided into two diseases. So alcohol causing two major disorders. First one is Melody-Weiss tear and second one is Boer-Haave syndrome. Now, how you can distinguish these two disorders and how you can diagnose easily these two disorders. In case of Melody-Weiss syndrome or Melody-Weiss tear, superficial part of the esophagus at the lower esophageal part is involved. Superficial part involved means involves only mucosa layer and it is located mainly at gastroesophageal junction. In short, I wrote GEJ, gastroesophageal junction, 90% cases. And in case of Boer-Haave syndrome, muscles of esophagus get ruptured at posterolateral part on left side and located this is located above the gastroesophageal junction, minimum 3 to 5 centimeter above the gastroesophageal junction. So if I draw a esophagus and stomach, sorry, if I draw an esophagus and stomach, see the diagram. This is majorly located at gastroesophageal junction. See, here is occurring of Melody-Weiss tear, and in case of Boer-Haave syndrome, in this case the location of the injury or lesion occur above 3 to 5 centimeter above of the gastroesophageal junction. See this diagram. I hope you can understand through this diagram easily. And clinical feature is, in case of Boer-Haber syndrome. Most of the clinical features of Mallory-Weis-Trier and the Boer-Haber syndrome are common, but few differences are there. Through this, you can easily identify these two disorders. So, clinical features. First one, chest pain. Chest pain mainly seen lower part of the chest pain, majorly seen in case of Boer-Haber syndrome. Hematemesis, or painful vomiting with blood. Third is subcutaneous emphysema, majorly seen in Boer-Haber syndrome, not seen in uh, Mallory-Weis-Trier. This is the identical feature of Boer-Haber syndrome. And the fourth point is painful hematemesis seen in esophageal varices in case of portal hypertension and liver cirrhosis. I hope you should understand the alcohol-induced esophageal disorder. Two disorders majorly occur which is caused by the alcohol, that is Mallory-Weis-Trier and the Boer-Haber syndrome. Boer-Haber syndrome and Mallory-Weis-Trier having major clinical feature, that is chest pain, hematemesis, subcutaneous emphysema, and painful hematemesis seen in the esophageal varices also. But chest pain majorly seen in Boer-Haber syndrome. Hematemesis, painful hematemesis occurred in case of Mallory-Weiss syndrome. Hematemesis means blood with vomiting or vomitus. Subcutaneous emphysema majorly seen in case of Boer-Haber syndrome, and painful hematemesis seen in case of esophageal varices associated causing causative factor, that is portal hypertension and liver cirrhosis. I hope you can understand this topic easily and follow my next lecture about gastric